So friends, get ready for this crazy week. The market will swing up and down like a seesaw. 1 minute, the market will be up, and 1 minute, market will be down. And on March 1st, SoFi report earnings. This is where things will get interesting, and we are going to see some stock movement, not just for SoFi, but for the whole market. I'll be doing a live stream of SoFi earnings, so make sure to subscribe and join us for the earnings. We'll hang out, talk about SoFi, numbers, and projections. So make sure to join us. I will put a link or pin a link in the comments below. So let's talk about what to expect from SoFi 2 days before the earnings, today and tomorrow, and where I'm keeping my focus. I'm going to share my screen and show you a chart that's going to basically tell you a little bit about what's going on internally for SoFi. So as you can see on the chart, this is a short interest for SoFi right here. And I'm going to show you a table as well. But in the short interest, pay attention to this. So SoFi's short interest is right now 101 million shares. Now it has gone up in the last, I would say, 1 month drastically. The change in short interest is about 5.8 million more shares. The short interest ratio is 1.74 and percent float is about 17.47%. Now this information might not be most up to date, but it's most accurate in my opinion. Now if you pay attention over here, this is the graph right here, and this is the average daily volume as you can see. Now pay attention to this over here. When the price was at 22.92 back in November, the short interest ratio was around, I would say, 1.7 or 1.8 at the same range. So it's not that we are seeing some drastic numbers in terms of change in the short interest ratio, but of course the number of shares shorted is much higher. Right here the percent float is 7.47%. Now if you pay attention over here, the short interest shares, or the shares that were shorted back when the price was 22.92, was around I would say 50 million, as you can see right here. So the number of shares has doubled since what it was back in November when the price was high. Now as the price has come down, the short interest number of shares shorted has gone up. I'm going to show you a table now right here. So if you see over here, I tracked it all the way from March 15 of 2021, as you can see right here, and we can see the increase in the number of shares shorted really changed back in October of 2021. Now October of 2021, the price crossed about $20 right here, and the volume also started to increase right after that. So since then, you can see right here, October of 2021, it was 0.92 before, but pay attention to this in October right here, 1.7%, and since then it's been fluctuating, and we have been as high as 2.2%, but look at the number of shares, only 71 million, only means like in terms of short interest ratio. And since February of 2022 or February 15th of 2022, we have number of shares shorted about 101 million. Now this is about right here 17.47% or about 18% shares shorted. We are going to get new data, more accurate data. Ortex is showing about 20% short interest right now, and we are going to see the actual data come out after the close today, which will be the close of the month, and we are going to see on 2/28 how many shares were shorted. So my theory is this, that we are going to see more and more companies or more and more hedge funds close their short positions today, because again, stock can move in either direction. So again, today and tomorrow will be very interesting. We'll see some shorts close their positions, as I mentioned before, and a huge options will trade hands. Options are going crazy on SoFi. I'm going to have that data for you very soon in a different video that I'm going to show you all the puts and the calls. Now, when you are watching this video, markets are already showing us their volatile face. I'll be doing a live stream, as I said, for SoFi earnings, so make sure that you subscribe to the channel and hit the like button if you like videos like these. Also, for more one-on-one conversation, join our Discord and Patreon. Links are in the description below. Thank you for watching. Until next time, you all have a sparkling day.